In this video, we will see how to fix update requested error on your iPhone. If you are continue receiving update requested and your iPhone not updated properly, then here are the fixes. The first workaround is make sure that a stable network connection you have. So turn on flight mode and wait for 10 to 15 seconds and again turn off airplane mode. Network connection should be stable for any iPhone iOS update. The second one is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can resolve various major and minor issues of your any device. So you must restart your iPhone and check whether your update requested error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Tap on settings again and here scroll down and tap on general. Here scroll down and tap on iPhone storage and make sure that sufficient storage is available for download any recently iOS update. So you may press iPhone offload unused apps. You may enable this to release extra storage space of your iPhone.